Coughing. It's your body's way of clearing irritants from your airways. But when does it become a concern? Today at Healthcare Advisors, we'll be discussing coughing. Coughing can result from various factors. Causes of coughing. It could stem from respiratory infections like colds, flu, allergies, or even asthma. Smoking, environmental pollutants, or acid reflux can also trigger persistent coughing. Diagnosing the cause. Understanding the root cause is crucial. A medical professional may perform a physical exam, inquire about symptoms, and sometimes recommend tests like chest X-rays or spirometry to pinpoint the issue. Treatment approaches. Treatment varies based on the cause. For instance, if it's due to a bacterial infection, antibiotics may help. Allergy-related coughs might benefit from antihistamines or allergy shots. In some cases, cough suppressants or expectorants may provide relief. Persistent coughing can disrupt your life. Seeking timely medical advice is essential for proper diagnosis and treatment. Remember, if your cough persists for more than a few weeks, is accompanied by chest pain, difficulty breathing, or other concerning symptoms, consult a healthcare professional. Your health matters.